It's gonna be good. Look at that bark. That bark sitting on there nice too. Oh yeah. What we got there?
We have a beef plate short rib.
Known in the barbecue world as a beef rib. Texas style. But we're in the Midwest. And shout out to Costco. Uh-huh. Can I get a prize? All right, let me wipe this down. We're gonna come on and get this all seasoned up. All right, let's get us a season going for this. All right, so what we gonna do? We gonna do about a tablespoon of Lowry's, 16% sodium, and we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this prime steak seasoning, 8% sodium. Oh yeah, there go my pepper. I don't know if that's enough pepper. What'd you think? Enough pepper?
I think it is. Maybe a little more.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
There we go.
Now everybody from Texas going like, okay, buddy, you getting close. Probably not as much as we do, but you getting close. All right. Get that all incorporated together. So it is one. So one thing I do like about these beef ribs, right? These beef plate ribs, is that they are long cook. They almost like set it and forget it. I put it on like 250, let it roll. Spritz it maybe about the 3rd hour. Spritz it about every 45 minutes after that, and just let it go. Let it go for about 5 hours. Most of the time we get these done about 5.5 hours. So it's a long cook, but it's not a super long cook. So all right, so just like that. No trimming, nothing. No trimming or nothing. See what I'm saying? And we only seasoning one side. Well, we're not seasoning the bottom, but we gonna season it. We gonna season the sides and stuff like that. Okay, let's let them see that side. We gonna get that side. We gonna get it. Yeah. Ooh, that's gonna be some good flavor up in there, baby. Yeah. See, now don't be no crookie. Now don't forget them sides. We gotta get these sides, baby. It's a little warm in the kitchen this evening. You see it's soaking up the seasoning already. And everybody, that's it. That's it. Yeah. See, you gotta pat it. Don't rub it. You know, remember Denzel Washington in American Gangster? He said, you gotta pat that. Don't rub it. That's Al-Qaeda. I love that. All right. So, you see how we got it looking. It's going to be ready. It's going to be delicious. So, I'm going to get up in the morning. We'll be getting up about, sun come up about 5:45. Well, it's getting later in the summer now, so it's getting closer to 6. But we'll be up at 6. And that smoker, it's going to be rolling. By the time 7 o'clock get here, it's going to be rolling. We're going to have this going, and we're going to be eating a luxury lunch See y'all in the morning. Pat it. Don't rub it. I said pat it. It is time, everybody. Look at that beautiful beef rib. Beautiful. Overnight. Bam. Just let that baby rock out. We got the temperature up to 250 now. We're gonna be rocking. Alright, y'all, so we've been rolling about 2 hours. The meat is pulling up, and now this fat is gonna start pulling up. But in the meantime, yeah, that's spritz, baby, yeah. Look at that bark. That bark sitting on there nice too. Oh yeah. Got my adjustment right now. Yeah. Looking good, baby. Alright, gonna check on it in about another hour and a half. I got the alert from my meter, and it says it's ready, y'all. It's only been 3 hours. Let's see if it knows what it's talking. So final temperature about going up there about 207. Yes, Lord. 3 hours, y'all. This was rolling at 275, open fire. So it's time to go in and see what it tastes like. Enjoy the succulent, deliciousness. All right, let's do this. Oh, what a delicious piece of meat. This thing came out good. And it cooked fast too. That crispy skin under there. And this was a super easy peasy cook. Look at all that deliciousness. Nice and rendered. Smoke ring. Ooh-wee. I don't know if I should try to eat this like a He-Man or cut it up like a regular civilian. I had to do it the He-Man way first, y'all. I had to do it. It don't get no tender than this with beef. It's a long cook. 3 hours is all thing it took. But I did run it at 275. So it's a little higher than some people run it. Some people like to run 225 to 250. I ran it at 275. Came out delicious. Bark intact. Juiciness. Oh yeah. Everything a beef rib should be when you go out and buy one. It's gonna be super expensive at these local barbecue houses. But check this out. Y'all saw how it was done. I'm about to get ready to eat this with some rice and get my grub on. The camera lady's gonna get some. Gotta save her some. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate and love y'all. Peace.